Do you have a 2005 Honda Accord? Did all your windows stop working except for the driver's side window? Do you hear a click when you try to move the other windows? Then your door power switch has gone bad. You can find these for around $40, so go ahead and give this a go if all else fails. Go ahead and pop this out of the way to expose a couple of Phillips screws. To get to the switch, you need to remove these 3 screws and remove the door panel. There's just these clips holding it in place. Push the door panel up. Remove this panel as well. To get to the switch, just go ahead and stick your hand down Betty's skirt and go ahead and curl up your wrist and then upward motion pop out that switch so you can have your way with it. It's being held down by 4 Phillips screws, and once you have the replacement, make sure that the connection is the same. Go ahead and put the panel back in with the new switch. I like you sick puppies. You guys are sick. Let's I like to gamble too. Let's see if it's fixed. Let's put everything together first, and then we'll try it. Let's put everything together. I too like to gamble. And it's fixed. It's fixed. All you just have to do is change the switch. It's probably most likely gonna be the switch for these kinds of cars. Go ahead, give it a go.